Hi, I'm Sandra from Vandra, straight from the classroom. Welcome back. This is part 2 of our wildlife career series. In the first video, we discussed the pros, cons, and future scope of wildlife careers. If you haven't watched it, please do watch it first. Heading forward now, the next big question is, how do you actually enter this field? In this short video, we'll cover 3 important things. Skills required for a wildlife career. The educational pathway and eligibility. Top colleges in India for wildlife studies. Every year, thousands of students say, I want to work with wildlife. But very few know the actual educational roadmap. Most wildlife professionals start with Class 12 science with biology. Then pursue a B.Sc in fields like zoology, life sciences, environmental science, forestry, botany, or agriculture. After that, the most important qualification is an M.Sc in wildlife science, which opens doors to research, conservation organizations, NGOs, and government work. During this journey, field experience is extremely important. Students often gain experience through internships, wildlife surveys, and research projects. For those interested in research or academia, the path may continue with a PhD and postdoctoral research. Admission to M.Sc programs often requires exams like CUTPG for central universities, JAM for IITs and NITs, university-specific entrance exams. One of the most competitive programs is offered by the Wildlife Institute of India, which conducts its own entrance exam for its M.Sc in wildlife science. For government forest and wildlife jobs, important exams include UPSC Indian Forest Service, State Forest Service exams, research fellowships like CSIRNet, DBDJREF, ICRJREF, and UGCNet. But remember, field experience often. Volunteering and internship would be valuable experience. Apart from degrees, wildlife careers require important skills such as strong knowledge of biology and ecology, field research and data collection, physical fitness for outdoor work, communication and community engagement, photography and documentation. You'll also need technical skills including GIS and remote sensing, statistical software like R or SPSS, wildlife tracking techniques, first aid and wilderness survival. Now on the slide above, you'll find a list of major colleges in India offering M.Sc programs in wildlife science and related fields. Just remember, admission criteria, exams, and fees can change every year, so always check the official website of each college for the latest information. Hope this video helped you understand the skills, criteria, and colleges needed for a wildlife career. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.